If you don't like nagging but still love popping your joints, then let's bust this myth together. Let's be real. Cracking your joints is a weirdly satisfying habit. But does it actually cause arthritis? Good news. Science says nope. That popping sound you hear is just tiny bubbles bursting inside your joint fluid, not your bones breaking, and definitely not arthritis forming. Multiple studies have shown that people who crack their knuckles aren't more likely to get arthritis than those who don't. Of course, if cracking your joints hurts or you notice swelling, it's time to check in with a doctor. But if it's just noise and no pain, you're in the clear. So next time someone gives you the side eye for your crackly fingers, you can tell them, it's just science. Bottom line, cracking joints doesn't cause arthritis, but it might annoy everyone around you. Crack on, responsibly.